In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Monzo to another account. Send payments. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send money quickly, safely, and with confidence. All from the Monzo app on your phone. Start by opening your Monzo app and making sure you're logged in. It helps to have the app updated and your available balance showing at the top of your home screen so you know you've got enough funds to cover the transfer. Next, head to the Payments tab along the bottom menu. This is where all your sending options live. You'll see choices like Pay by Bank Transfer and Pay Someone New. Pick Pay by Bank Transfer if you're moving money to a bank account, or choose Pay Someone New if you haven't paid this person before and need to add their details. Now enter the recipient's name, sort code, and account number. If you've paid them previously or saved them as a contact, you can simply select them from your list to save time. Take a moment to double check the sort code and account number before moving on. Transfers are fast and accuracy is key to making sure the money lands in the right place. If the app briefly displays a message about checking balances, such as waiting for an external balance to update, just pause for a moment and let it refresh. The important thing is that your Monzo balance is sufficient for the amount you want to send. Type in the amount you want to transfer and add an optional reference like rent, gift, or dinner. This reference appears on both sides of the transfer and makes it easier to track what the payment was for later. Tap Continue to review everything on the confirmation screen. Make sure the recipient's name, sort code, account number, amount, and reference are all correct. When you're happy with the details, tap Confirm Payment. You may be asked to authenticate using your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint, depending on your device settings. You'll then see a confirmation message that your payment has been sent, usually instantly. Most UK bank transfers through Monzo use faster payments, which typically arrive within seconds. In some cases, a receiving bank might take a little longer for security checks, but you'll still see the transaction in your Monzo feed right away with the reference you added. That's all there is to it. Open the app, go to Payments, enter or select the recipient, set the amount and reference, and confirm. Keep your details accurate, save trusted payees for next time, and you'll be able to send money smoothly whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and